Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today we'll find the values of x from this given equation. So before starting the question, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe first and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of other videos. So let's start. Here we have equation x cube minus 3 plus square root of 3 and its whole x plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here it will become x cube minus into plus is minus and 3 into x is 3x. Similarly minus plus is minus and square root of 3 into x is square root of 3x plus 3, it is equal to 0. Now here we have square root of 3 and here we have 3 and here also we have 3. So square root of 3 and square root of 3 is equal to square root of 3 square. So square and square root will be cancelled out, so it is same as 3. So we can write square root of 3 as square root of 3 square. So it will become x cube minus 3 is same as square root of 3 square into x minus square root of 3x plus here we will also replace 3 with square root of 3 square and it is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, in first two term we have x is common here, so we will take common x. So x cube divided by x is same as x square minus square root of 3 square, x divided by x is same as square root of 3 square. From these two terms we have square root of 3 is common here. So it will become x plus 1 square root of 3 is common. So this divided by this will be equal to just square root of 3. Sorry, we have take negative is common, so positive will change into negative. So it will become x minus square root of 3. It is equal to 0. So here we have form a square minus b square, which is same as a plus b, a minus b. So it will become x into x plus square root of 3 and x minus square root of 3, and here we have minus square root of 3 into x minus square root of 3 is equal to 0. Now you can see here we have x minus square root of 3 and x minus square root of 3 is common here. So we will take x minus square root of 3 is common. So it will become x into x plus square root of 3 and here we have this divided by this will be equal to minus square root of 3 and it will be equal to 0. Now x minus square root of 3 and it will become x into x is x square plus square root of 3 into x is square root of 3x and minus square root of 3. And it is equal to 0. Now we can see here we have two solutions, that x minus square root of 3 is equal to 0 or x square plus square root of 3x minus square root of 3 is equal to 0. So x minus square root of 3 is equal to 0 and second solution is x square plus square root of 3x minus square root of 3 is equal to 0. So from here we can get the value of x, which is equal to square root of 3. And from here it is the form of quadratic equation, because first variable has power 2, second has power 1, and here we have constant square root of 3. So we will apply here quadratic formula, as here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to square root of 3, and c is equal to minus square root of 3. And quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b and c here. So it will become minus into square root of 3 plus minus square root of b square means square root of 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus square root of 3 divided by 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of, from here square and square root will be cancelled out, it will become 3, minus into minus will become plus 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So here we have values of x are minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 divided by 2, and with negative sign it will be same. So here we have three values of x. x1 is equal to this square root of 3, x2 is equal to minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 divided by 2, and x3 is equal to minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 divided by 2. Now we will check that all these three values satisfy our given equation or not. So first of all we will check for square root of 3. So here we have this given equation, x cube minus 3 plus square root of 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we will substitute here square root of 3. So it will become square root of 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 plus square root of 3, and x is also square root of 3 plus 3, and we have to check that it will be equal to 0 or not. So it can be written as square root of 3 square into square root of 3. So we can write it as square root of 3 square into square root of 3. It is same as square root of 3 raised to the power 3, and it will be minus 3 times square root of 3 and minus square root of 3 square plus 3 is equal to 0 or not. So from here square and square root will be cancelled out, so it will become 3 times square root of 3 and it is minus 3 square root of 3, and it will be minus 3 plus 3. So this and this will be cancelled out, this and this will be cancelled out. So from here this side is also equal to 0 and right hand side is also equal to 0. So it's mean the value of x is equal to square root of 3 satisfy our given equation. So here we have two more values of x. So if we substitute these values in place of x in the given equation, so it will also satisfy our given equation as you can see here. When I substitute this value minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 in this given equation, so it is also satisfy our given equation. You can see the steps here. Here I have applied cubic formula and this 2 is 8, and here I will just multiply these two brackets and this plus 3 and then simplify this equation as, so it will be equal to 0. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.